The family of a young boy electrocuted in the family pool wants justice from the people they say are responsible for his death. As we were first to tell you last night at 11, the family of 7-year-old Calder Sloan has filed a lawsuit.
Yeah, they blame a list of companies for Calder's death, and now more details are finally surfacing. Team 6 investigator Willard Shepard is live in North Miami tonight. This is near where the tragedy unfolded. Willard?
Well, Keith, as this is coming out, more and more details about this. As we first told you last night, this lawsuit was filed. The focus then really on the company that made the light, that actually designed and put it into the marketplace, and also a pool company here on Biscayne Boulevard. And now today, more details about some electrical work that was done here at the home behind me in this development, and also an inspection. And the family says a fatal error was made.
There's certainly nothing normal in the horrible way in which he died. He suffered.
The day after filing legal action against the companies he believes killed his son Calder, Chris Sloan and his attorney, Ervin Gonzalez, laid out specific details as to what they say went so terribly wrong. April 13th, the 7-year-old jumped into the water, and a short time later, he was dead. Police say electrocuted. Gonzalez says this photo shows the wiring in the light was defective.
When it overheats, it should be shut off. It should shut off completely and have no electricity whatsoever. In this case, the electricity kept flowing.
NBC6 was the first to report the family blamed the Minnesota-based pool light maker, Pentair Water Pool and Spa, the pool service company, All Florida Pool and Spa, a South Miami-Dade firm, Gary B. Electric and Construction Consultant, and Pompano Beach-based JP Enterprises Inspection Company.
So why do we find ourselves here in this ocean of grief and absolute despair? Well, simply because of the negligence of these professional services and manufacturers who carelessly failed to do their jobs. They failed.
All Florida Pool and Spa sent us an email saying, "Our prayers and sympathies have been extended to the family. We had no involvement in the construction, repair, and installation of any mechanical, cosmetic, and structural portions of this pool." Sloan's lawsuit says the electrical firm made mistakes too when working at his home, and the inspection company performed a re-inspection, but did not address or inspect the problem it identified with the grounding of the pool's pump.
I can almost guarantee you that this problem is out there right now waiting to hurt somebody else.
The message to your family: check the pool's light, wiring, grounding, and the bonding around it. Now, of all these defendants in this lawsuit, the 3 other companies named, we've been reaching out to them throughout the course of the day. No responses that we can bring you just yet as to what they have to say about this legal action. Of course, they'll have their day in court here in Florida. They have until the middle of July to respond to this legal action officially before the court. The big message from Mr. Sloan and his attorney tonight: go check your pool, do all you can to try to prevent this kind of tragedy from happening in your backyard. That's the very latest tonight here in North Miami. Willard Shepard, NBC6, South Florida.